My dear teacher and my dear friends, today I am going to talk about digestion of human body. Human body. The digestive system. Let's learn about the parts in digestive system. Mouth and mouth cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, anus, rectum, large intestine, gallbladder, and liver. Let's watch a video about the process of digestion in human body.
The human digestive system, the esophagus, and the stomach. Objectives: to explain the movement of food in the esophagus, to describe the process of digestion in the stomach. The process of digestion begins inside the mouth. The teeth break down the food into smaller particles. It then gets mixed with the saliva in the mouth to form a slurry mass called bolus. As the food is swallowed, the soft the upper throat, called the pharynx, which prevents the entry of food into the nasal cavity. When the food passes over the epiglottis, which is a flap-like structure which prevents the entry of food into the trachea, it pushes down the epiglottis. The food then enters the food pipe, or esophagus, which connects the pharynx to the stomach and is gently pushed down to the stomach by wave-like muscle contractions and relaxations known as peristalsis. When the food enters the stomach, a J-shaped bag-like structure, mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices that are present in the stomach act on the food to help digest it through chemical action. The mucous membrane protects the inner wall of the stomach from the effects of the acid. The hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria that enter along with the food and also helps in the digestion of proteins. The digestive juices start breaking down the proteins present in the food into simpler forms. Muscular contractions in the stomach churn this food mass to further break it down and mix it with secretions in the stomach to form a thick liquid. This thick liquid is called chyme. The chyme exits the stomach through peristaltic movements and enters the small intestine where most of the digestion occurs.
Functions of digestive system: break down the solid food into small particles, absorb the nutrients, discard the waste matter from the body. Mouth: teeth in the mouth break down and grind the food. Tongue: mix saliva with food and help to swallow. Nose cavity and mouth cavity open to the pharynx. Epiglottis covers the larynx and prevent food passing into the trachea. The swallowed food moves down the esophagus. Stomach: stomach is a sac made with muscles. Food digests further inside the stomach. Bile produced in the liver and digestive juices produced by the salivary glands and other glands help to digest food. Small intestine. This is a narrow but long, about 7 meters tube. Absorption of nutrients takes place in small intestine. Large intestine. Passed into the large intestine from the small intestine. Absorption of water contained in the food and minerals happen in the large intestine. Rectum. The semi-solid waste left off from the large intestine, which is known as feces, can be stored temporarily here. The rectum can control the process of defecation. Thank you for all watching my presentation. Goodbye.